Hello y'all, it's Melissa with the Bickums. And today we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be making this simple grapevine wreath, spring, summer looking. And I just usually clean up my grapevines a little bit because they have these little curly twigs everywhere. I mean, you don't have to cut them all off, but sometimes some of the wreaths has more than others. Okay, so we're just gonna get that all out of our way. And then a lot of times if you bang on it like this, you can clean it out. Once again, I'm gonna have to sweep, but okay, I think it's fairly clean. All right, y'all, I got 2 stems of this right here. It came out of my stock. It's a nice green set of greenery, and I think I'm just gonna, put it together kind of like that, and then put the flowers. I have 3 flowers that I'm gonna put in. So I've got my hot glue heated up. Thank y'all for watching today. If you don't mind, hit the like button and subscribe, if you want to. It would really help our page out. We're trying to grow our page. We do sell wreaths and wreath supplies on our website, Small Town Wreath Shop.com. And you can find everything you need to make a pretty wreath. Alright, y'all, I'm just kind of fiddling with my greenery, kind of spreading it out so it looks more real. Oops, I say it looks more realistic. That just came off of there. Let me see if I can get it back on. There we go. Alright, y'all, let's get started here. Hopefully this won't take very long. Alright, about right there. About right there. You see, I just kind of slid it in. I got some glue there. I don't think it's going anywhere. Now, I'm going to cut this one off, too. The stems just don't need to be that long. Let me fluff it a little. Make it look a little more realistic. Y'all, this is some really nice greenery. I really like it. I'm a little bit picky about my greenery. Okay, let me see where I want to do this one. I think right there. Let me dip it in my glue pot. And y'all, in my Etsy shop, I have, some of the more expensive wreaths. And then I have some, a few of the cheaper wreaths because, not everybody can afford to spend $150, $200 on a wreath. So it's good to have something for different price points. Or at least that's what I think. Alright, y'all, these actually came from Hobby Lobby. So, they've got them Hobby Lobby stickers on them we got to get off. Okay. Alright. And y'all, before I put the flowers on, I think I'm going to make a little bow. Y'all, I'm just sweeping it all on the floor, and I'll clean it up in a bit. Okay, let me get my bow maker real quick. I'm going to try it anyways. It's got little silver sprinkles on it, y'all. Okay. Y'all, I'm going to dovetail my ends. So just fold it over like so. And cut at an angle. And there we have it. I'm going to make my tail about 7 inches long. That's going to be my tail right there. How long should I make my loop? Let me see. I think just over 5 inches is good. About 5.5. Yeah, 5.5. On this side, I'm going to go 5.5 also. You want your bunny ears to be, you know, equal, or the best you can get it anyways. Alright. Gonna go ahead and make me another tail. Ooh, I just got a bunch off the roll. Alright, there. Let me twist. The twisting of the ribbon's very important. I've never used any ribbon like this. I hope I like it. I hope it holds its shape. Alright. I think I'm just going to do that little simple bow. Once again, I'm dovetailing. See there? Got my pretty end. Alright, y'all. Let me grab a short zip tie. Okay, I got my short zip tie. It's about, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches long, I guess. Also, we're going to need a chenille stem. I just grabbed a pink one. This is how I do it. Now, everybody does it different, but this is just how I do it. Okay, I've got my bow up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead, take my zip tie, put it around, and get it started. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to twist it, the zip tie part down. I'm going to pull it out, and where it was in that, in between those little spindles, is where the zip tie needs to be. And I'm also going to, before I get it too terribly tight, put my pipe cleaner in. So got my pipe cleaner in. Now, let's cinch it a little more. Okay, y'all, I got it pretty tight. Now let's work with the loops and make sure the loops look okay. I like this ribbon. It seems to be okay. Y'all know how different ribbons, you know, do different sometimes with your projects. I like canvas ribbon the best, but that's just me. Alright, y'all. The bunny ears, they look pretty good, I think. Alright, so I'm just going to zip it all the way tight. Take, and y'all, these are some awesome scissors. I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to get this bow maker out of the way. Y'all, I got a pile behind me that's about to fall and crash. Alright, let's get our, oops, get this back out of here. Alright, I want to just put it, let me see here. I think I want to just put it like that, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to thread. Don't go around it, y'all. It looks better if you go through the grapevine. I learned that myself. I used to go around, but it does, to me, now I see that it does look better when you go through. Alright, y'all. So let's go ahead and I'm going to tie off. Alright, we'll cut the excess off in a bit. Let's just leave it for right now. Alright, now let's grab a flower. And you don't want to cut it too short, but you know, you can always cut some more off if you need to. But don't cut it too short. Let me see. I'm just going to kind of dab it in that glue. Y'all be careful. with that hot glue. It will scald you. I done been burned several times. Alright, I like the way that one did. Now let's get this one. Let me go ahead and trim this one. Okay. Let me see here. How I want to do this. I like the way that other one's nestled up in the greenery, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that or not on this side. I might, but I'm not sure. Okay, y'all, I'm thinking I'm gonna put a third one. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't. All right, y'all, I've got some of this too. I have no idea where I got this. I'm getting to where we just started selling product like a year, not even a year ago, so we're building up our stock. And I'm getting to where I use most of our stock, but I still have a few things that I had already that I'm trying to use up. And this is one of those things. Y'all, I just like these little, and it's just got a short stem because I cut one big piece and made it small. And y'all, I'm just going to go in right here where we need something. Can I get it? Yeah, just like that. Alright. And these are pushers. That means they'll go up and down on the stalk. So I like to kind of push my stuff up. Y'all, I about made my loops a little too big, I think. Alright, there it is. I put it in there. Now I'm going to kind of sprinkle some more of that out, I think. And I'm just kind of filling in where there's a void and where it kind of looks like it's throughout the project, you know. So there's that. Now we're going to move and put some up here. Let me see. Okay. Y'all, I got this glue skillet on up here and it's actually making me hot. See, you can actually take one of these long pieces, and since it's a pusher, push it down and push these up, and you can actually get two pieces out of the one. Sometimes I do that, but I don't think I'm going to do that right now. I think I'm just going to cut some of this off and go in with it up here at the top. Right up underneath there. I wished I had something to go right there. I don't know what I could get to go right there, but I wished I had something. Alright, y'all, we've got one little piece of this left. So let's figure out what we're going to do with it. Let me hold it up and kind of look at it. Alright. needs something right back here. I'm going to go ahead and see, I'm going to make this one 2 pieces. Y'all, I want to put it right back here. I just want it kind of peeking out. Kind of just where it looks like it's throughout that vine that was on here already. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right about here. Mm-hmm. I'm going to cut these tails a little bit shorter, y'all, to see if they'll stay a little better, maybe. Alright. This is it, y'all. I kind of don't think I need the 3rd flower, but maybe I should put it just in case. I've already got it cut, so let me just go ahead and put it. I think I'm going to put it right down in here. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Because I would rather put things in odd numbers anyways. You know, focal point things. Well, if I can get it in there. Y'all, it's not wanting to go. There it goes. Alright, y'all. This is it. I'm not sure about the ribbon. I might go back and change the ribbon. It looks better in person than it does on the camera. The flowers on the camera look red to me, but they're really just a fuchsia pink. But like I said, on camera they look red. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you did, give it a thumbs up. And we would love it if you wanted to subscribe to our channel. We do lots of quick and easy little projects like this. Y'all, let's trim this, okay? Trim this and then just go and fold it over. You don't want it to be, you know, poking anybody or scratching them or anything. Alright. So here we are. There we are. Thank y'all for watching.